Today I am going to be, well, first of all, let me make sure everybody's doing okay today. Hope they're having a good day and enjoying it. Nice day here in Colorado, nice and sunny and hot. It's been really hot here lately, so hope everybody else out there is doing good and staying healthy and all that good stuff. So, yeah, sorry, I just needed to say hi to you guys again, so... Anyway, today I am going to be doing a challenge lock. Hopefully picking and gutting a challenge lock made by Keymaster. It's a BASI half, I guess that's how you say that, a BASI half cylinder, Euro cylinder. It's, if you can see that there, it says number 33 on there. Maybe if I had it right side up, you could see it better. And then on this side, you can see it says Keymaster on it. So there's that. Hopefully there's not too much glare there. And here's the key. Pretty wicked looking key on it. Oh, and the name of this, by the way, is The Cake is a Pie. Everybody can see that. The Cake is a Pie. And this is, I believe, a 5-pin. I'm 99% sure it's a 5-pin. It's been a minute since I've dealt with this guy, but yeah, pretty wicked key there. It's yeah, some pretty highs and lows on that baby. So hopefully we can get into it today. Like I said, I have got into it a couple times in the past. It works pretty good. It's sometimes a little sticky going one direction, but it still works pretty decent. You guys can see all that. So there you go. You can see it's locked up now. Nothing going there. Let's put it in the vise and see what we can do. Hopefully we can get into this baby and then I can gut it for you. Let's see, hopefully that's okay right there. Going with the bottom of the keyway tension on this baby. This is a tensioner that my good buddy lockpicking coal miner made me. I use the heck out of this thing. It's a monster. It's a beast. You can put some torque on this thing if you want to. Today I'm not going to be putting a lot of torque on this baby. And then I'm just using this really shallow hook, maybe for part of it. And then another part I got a little deeper of a hook. But let's jump on in and see what we can do, huh? Hopefully you guys can see that all right. I don't know how to make it better so that you can see a little better. Maybe like this. Alright, well, that's just going to have to be for a minute. So, without further ado, 2, nothing on 2. Like I said, very light tension on this guy. A little bit on 3 there. 4 got a little, maybe not. 4 got a little rotation on that. Core rotation. 5. Looks like we could, 5 is not ready yet. Come back up here to the front. 1, 2. Touch 3 and got some rotation on the core. 4 is not wanting to do anything right at the minute. Get back under here on 5. Nope, not really there. Let's jump back up to the front again. Nothing on 1. Nothing on 2. Okay. Let's see, maybe I already overset something here. It's gotta click there. Let's try that again now. There, I touched 2, I believe it was. And got a little rotation on the core, so that might have been our one that was messing us up, or maybe not. See here in a second, I guess. Oh. Some counter rotation there, and oh, touched 4 again, and it came right back. Got a little click, weird click out of 5 there. Come back up. Oh, and there we go. We got her. There you go. That is the BASI AS. I don't know if that, I'm not sure if that's how you pronounce it. That's what I'm just going with, is the BASI. But there you have it. Picked. Oh, I forgot to show you guys that keyway. It's not too horrible of a keyway. Got to pick off that one little edge there on the right side, but not too bad. So, all right, let's gut this puppy. See what we got inside here. Keymaster is known for some pretty cool pins usually. So, like I said, it's been a minute since I've been into this guy. So, I don't exactly remember what we are dealing with as far as pins go. I've kind of already taken get that, locked it back up again since we do have the key. Or started taking the O-ring or the snap ring off the back here. Let's see if we can go ahead and pop it the rest of the way. This technique works sometimes and sometimes it doesn't. It's kind of hit or miss sometimes. Okay, I think I can hook that the rest of the way off. Pretty big C-clip here. Come on, baby. That's usually the hardest part of this, right? Is getting this stupid ring off. There we go. Come on, baby. Alright. Make sure you guys are still all kind of in focus here. Okay, and like I said, I do have the key. Put that baby in. And I'm just a firm believer in shimming, man. No matter what lock it is, I'm just a very firm believer in shimming. Just better safe than sorry. So get that in there. See where we are here. Push this baby through. So yes, it is a 5-pin, like I said. Get some. I don't know if you guys can see that, but there's the how those pins are sitting in there. If you can see that one in chamber 1 there is all floppy in there. Same with 2. It's got some flop to it as well. You guys see that? Hopefully there's not a bunch of light in it. Oop. See that there a little bit. Pin work here. You guys can see that double key pin on 4 there, and the spool goes on top of it. Standard on top there in 3 and 2. And it's got this cool little pin there. You guys can see that okay. But yeah, great lock by Keymaster there. It's he did a beautiful job on these pins. I don't want to dump them, have them all over the place, but hopefully you guys can see those okay. So there you have it, guys. The number 33. What is the name of this again? The Cake is a Pie by Keymaster. Picked and gutted. Alright guys, well, I hope you enjoyed that video. Hope it wasn't too long for you. Remember, always keep it legal, man. Everybody out there, stay safe, stay healthy. And we'll see you on the next go-around. Thanks for watching, guys.